Hi everyone, this is week 13 of Writing 111. This week we're going to focus a lot of our energy on interacting with source materials now that we're working on the research project. So this week in media, I have offered you an academic writer tutorial that can help you with different parts of the APA style manual, which are really complicated and really require you to make mistakes and try things out, to have a reader point out your mistakes to you like I've been doing. But it also requires just like noticing different elements. And so I don't expect all of you to go through all these tutorials. In fact, don't. But I think a couple of them that could be especially useful for everyone in this class are in-text citations, paraphrasing and quotation, and then reference list entries. If you're somebody who is struggling with other elements of language, then some of these other tutorials might be beneficial for you too. So I encourage you to take some time to work through these in order to better understand APA style, which is really important for this research paper. It's going to be very important for you when you move into your 200 level writing class, because they will expect that you already know how to use style manuals effectively. I've also given you a meme. Shouldn't you be writing right now? Yes, you should. Please make sure that you're keeping up with your work. You should be reading a lot about your paper, and I have staged source summaries each week so that you are doing little bits of your paper along the way. Okay, so this week you are also going to summarize and review another source of information. This time I would like it to be a local source of information, so that means that it's coming from somewhere here in the state, something related locally to your project. You'll do another one of these next week. This week you are also going to submit a draft of your essay. I'll make that due on Sunday, so you have a little bit more time. You'll have to submit a draft in order to engage in the week 14 peer review. I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow.